slower. 5, 6, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, kick back. 5, 6, 7, step out right. Left, take your heart out. Turn. 1, 2, rebound. Hit your head. Jump left across. Right, step touch. Oh, fantastic job. Let's go up to tempo. Ready? 5, 6, you got it. Right arm goes up. Go. Kick back. Out. Take your hands out. Turn it. Rebound. Head. Left. Right. Step touch. Yeah. Fantastic. We're going to do it one more time without cueing.
You put my heart back together. I searched the world till my head hurt just to find out you're